Guys, I'm finally back in the GTI again. Today I replaced Maria's alternator in the GTI and some other little things while she was at work. So she drove my Audi to work, and now I'm gonna switch them back out because Audi's way better. But yeah, today I just wanted to go over some like cheap mods, like really pretty cheap, like little things you can do that I really liked when I had the GTI. So let's get right into it. First thing, I think this might be the best one, is a clutch stop. So all it is, you can kind of see it up there, but all it is I think this one was for like a BMW or something, but it's gonna work on this one too. But all it, I keep saying all it is, but it's just like a plug sort of thing. It goes into a hole that's up there by your, where the clutch hits, where it contacts, and that way, and when you let off your foot, you can adjust it to where when you let off your foot, the car, like you can make that space, the dead space, like super small. Like in the GTI, it's like you let off your foot and like almost instantly the car starts moving. It's way better for the drag strip, and I just think it feels better for daily driving. I don't know why anyone would want like all that dead space. It's just, it's like a waste of time and like effort. Like, why push it in more than you need to? But yep, that's probably my favorite one, but let's go over some more. So these things, and I'm gonna link all of these and I'll put the price up as I show them. These little things are nice. Like they're like what pump your seat up and down. I think I got these on Amazon, but I don't know, probably like 10 bucks or something. They really just make it look a lot, but you can really hear that stage 3 clutch shatter. But they just make it look a lot nicer in here. As you can see, Maria doesn't clean her car very often. And oh yeah, look at all her things here. But yeah, I think they just like 3M tape, and they just make the car look a lot nicer. And these things, they're super cute. Ludicrous speed, and then the mushrooms, and just like little Mario Kart things. I'm gonna turn your the car off, but yeah, and then eject. This came with like a sheet of like 15, and it's made just for these buttons right here, and I don't think this was very much at all either. Oh, and while I'm in here, if you're a girl watching this, Maria put on some like some diamond. I don't know if they're real or not. I'm gonna say, go ahead and say they're real, because yeah, you know. But you can girlify it a little. She told me that this car's a boy car. Like, she also got these little cute little purple valve sim caps, just little touches like that. So now we're on the outside, and up front, this grill, this is gonna be a little more on the expensive side, but it's just like the Golf R grill. I think it's probably like 40 bucks on eBay. I'll be sure to link it. And then I really like this. It's just a black plastic Volkswagen logo. And don't paint yours, and definitely don't paint it red, please, or any other like weird color. It just doesn't look good. I went through the phase, but just buy, if you're gonna paint it black, but really just buy this one because it's not gonna wrinkle up or anything like that. And on the side here, we got these little GTI logo things. I don't know what, I've had these for like probably 3 or 4 years, but as you can see, like they get kind of this like water spot. It like really soaks in all this like stuff. But like if I just put like a dab of tire shine right there, it looks like, if you can see, if I get it like wet, it kind of brings it back. If I put just tire shine on after I wash the car, it usually brings it right back. And sadly, these carbon fiber fenders, not cheap. I know everyone's gonna ask about those. Those are like 600 for the pair. I think they're even more now. But yeah, let's move on to the back. And this one I really like. It's these side things here. I don't know what you call them, but like the Mark 7 comes with these stock. Holy shit, everyone's beeping. But yeah, the Mark 7 comes with these stock, but these I got on AliExpress and I'm really happy with those. I really like how those ones look. But they're just 3M tape and they just glue right onto the glass. And this is a cool one too. This I got on ECS Tuning. It's paint matched to the car. And I'll link that too, but it's just stickers you put right into there. It's really nice. Oh, this one I think you can buy the ones that like are these little pieces, or you can buy the whole piece. That's what I did. It's a lot harder, but you can pop this the Volkswagen, the chrome part off. I think I had to take the whole like whatever this is called here. I opened up the trunk and took this out and then took it apart and then I put that down. But you can also buy just the pieces to go in here. It probably won't look as clean like this one at the end, but it still looks really nice. And of course, we can't forget the rear wiper delete. Not much at all, and this was actually black when I got it, but it just kind of, I don't know if the paint like wore away or what, but now it's like silver, but I still like it. Can't forget about that one. It's a nice mod. You can also go ahead and get yourself a carbon fiber license plate frame. I'm sure those are, you can buy those anywhere, any website. Well, not any website, any, you know, car website. But yeah, the GTI, she still lives on. She's not as fast as she used to be. She's really jealous of you know who, but yep. Thanks for watching, guys. I was just in the GTI today and I thought I'd make a quick video for you. Thanks, have a good day.